Okay, I will tell you about the hardware information of this machine. Upper part is moving parts and bottom part is electrical parts. So you can see the moving parts like this. This is the main tester, SRUL2, and it moves X for left and right, and it moves Y for backward and forward like this, and it moves up and down for Z. So 3 axes, X, Y, G or Z. I will tell you about detail later. And bottom part is electrical parts. You can open the door like this. Push and turn. So you can see electrical parts. At first, the fan at both sides. This fan is for cooling down system. If the fan does stop, the temperature of this electrical box will very grow up. So it may hurt the system. So this fan should turn on always. And if you close the door, the fan will turn on automatically. And if you open the door, the fan should stop automatically too. And I will tell you about the lock system of this machine. At first, the upper part. This is lock system for the door. You can open like this, sliding right and open, and sliding left to lock. And in detail, this lock is not for security. This lock is for your safe. When some trouble occurs, you have to go inside this machine. When you go inside, you have to remove the key like this. And you have some work. If you don't remove this key, you can close the door. But if you remove the key, you cannot close the door. So when you go inside the machine, you have to keep this key like this. So no one can work this machine, move anyway. So you have to keep this key. And after you finish the work, like this, you have to attach the key and lock this. And bottom side, this switch turns on and turn off the power for all this machine. But this is not just the power controller, and it is the lock system too. When you turn on the power, you cannot open like this. If you want to open the door, you have to power up, and you can open like this. So you have to turn off for open, and if you turn on, you cannot open. and I will tell you about detailed parts. At first, this is the power supply. You can see the name, detail name of power supply, the controller power supply for power. Yes, you can see. And this is the safety relay for EMO, emergency power of system, and this is for relay for door lock system. And this is the servo motor driver from Yaskawa for X and Y and G. X is left right, Y is up forward and backward, and G is up and down. So 3 axes. And the next thing is surge protector and breaker, and magnetic. This is noise filter for main power system. And this is breaker 2, and this is lock and power on off controller. And this is for breaker 2. And these two parts is isolating transformer. Yes. And this is servo motors terminal block for X, Y, and G. This one terminal block can support 2 axes. So X, Y, and G and spare. So 2 terminal blocks. And this is noise filter 2. So this machine has 2 noise filter. One is for 3 axis power, and another one is for main power. So 2 noise filters. And this is for terminal blocks, that is, and relay, breaker, and terminal blocks. And this is main power terminal block. So it's connected to this. So you can plug in any wall power or multi-tap for 220 volts. Yes. And this is bus bar for earth or ground. This is all. Okay. One more thing. This is ground too for both sides. Yes, both sides. Okay.
끊고 갈까요?